Good morning, children. We are going to start new chapter, that is Python Pandas. So we all are familiar with what is Python, and we have studied the other libraries of Python like NumPy and Matplotlib. So this Pandas is a library in Python. So what is Pandas? Pandas is used for data science or data analysis. So what is data science or data analytics? That is, in nowadays, large amount of data are generated from different applications. From our social media, large amount of data are generated, like the photos or videos or documents that we share through each and every social media or through each and every media that we share. So millions of data are being generated day by day, and we need a method to analyze or process these data. So data science is, or data analytics is, the process of analyzing a large set of data points to get answers to questions related to dataset. If our data were very small, we have large number of tools for its analysis, but the data generated are large amount, that is big data, are generated. It is so, to manage such type of large amount of data, it is not possible to use softwares which are available to us. So we have to use a library that can manage large amount of data that are generated from different sources, different applications all over the world. So for that purpose, we use Python Panda library for data science and data analytics. So the need for data analytics arises to handle huge data, which is an area of concern for large business organizations, government bodies, communities, and consumers. So even in our social media, large millions of data are generated, and these data are to be managed, and they have to be analyzed by the companies for its future. So data processing is an important part of data analyzing the data, because data is not always available in the desired format. So all the data has to be processed into the desired format. So this is called data life cycle. The data that we get is converted into a desired format. So data travels in through a certain stages, and that is called data life cycle. So this is the data life cycle. Here data may be stored in different formats like .csv file, Excel file, or HTML file. So these data are in different formats, and all the data are to be converted into a single format and stored in a data warehouse. So all the data is generated from different types, maybe using a different format. So all these data has to be stored in a data warehouse. Before that, all the data are converted into a single format and stored into data warehouse. And the data is then analyzed by performing operations like join operation, merge operation, search operation. So such operations are performed on the data, and after that data visualization is done by plotting the data along a graph. So this is the data life cycle. So the data generated may be in different formats, and these data are converted into a single format and stored in the data warehouse. After that, The data is analyzed by applying operations like join, merge, and search, like that. And after the operations are performed and after the data analysis, data is visualized in the form of graphs by use. This is called data visualization. So, what is Python Pandas? So, Pandas is a Python library that makes data science or data analysis easy and effective. Pandas offers powerful and flexible data structures, which makes data manipulation and data analysis easy. It is a high-level data manipulation tool developed by Wes McKinney and built on packages like NumPy and Matplotlib to give us a single and convenient place for data analysis and visualization work. The term Pandas is derived from panel data system, which is an econometric term for multi-dimensional structured data set. So, the term Pandas got its name from panel data system. And Pandas is an open source Python library which provides high performance, easy to use data structures and data analysis tools. Pandas is used in wide range of fields including academic, commercial domains which include finance, economics, statistics analysis, etc. So in all these fields we use Python Pandas for data analysis. Let us see what are the features of Python Pandas. It can read or write in many different data formats. That is, it can use different data formats can be read by using Python Pandas. Then columns from a Panda data structure can be deleted or inserted. This data structure means like arrays in our NumPy is a data structure. Array is a data structure in NumPy library. Likewise, our Panda library also has different data structures. So, in a columns from Pandas, data structure can be deleted or inserted. It supports group by operation for data aggregation and transformation and allows high performance merging and joining of data. That is like the operations in aggregation operations in database. The Pandas also has operations called data aggregation and transformation. Then it offers good input-output capabilities as asset. Easily pull data from MySQL directly into data frame. That is, we can connect this Pandas to MySQL and pull the data stored in the MySQL directly into data frame. That is, data frame is a data structure of Pandas. Then it can easily select subsets of data from bulky data sets and even combine multiple data sets together. That is, there are no applications other than Pandas which can handle large or big data, that can handle a big data. That is, it can combine bulky data sets and multiple data sets together. Then it supports reshaping of data into two different forms. That is, data can be reshaped into different forms by using Pandas. Then it supports advanced time series functionality. Then it supports visualization by integrating libraries such as Matplotlib and Cbone, etc. Here it is Matplotlib, sorry. Then it has the functionality to find and fill missing data also. It can find the missing data also. Then the different data structures in Pandas are: a data structure is a way of storing and organizing data in a computer so that it can be accessed and worked within an appropriate way. So Pandas deals with three data structures. Like the arrays in NumPy library, array is a data structure. Likewise in Pandas, there are three data structures. They are series, data frames, and panels. So series, it is a one-dimensional data structure storing homogeneous mutable data. Mutable means we can change the data. Then series is a one-dimensional data structure storing homogeneous mutable data. Then data frames. Data frames is a two-dimensional storing heterogeneous mutable data. Data frame is two-dimensional data structure. It stores heterogeneous mutable data. Then panel. It is a three-dimensional way of storing the data. So data structure in Panda is of three types. They are series, data frames, and panels. Series is a one-dimensional data structure storing homogeneous mutable data, and data frames is a two-dimensional storing data structure storing heterogeneous mutable data. Then panel is a three-dimensional way of storing data items. Okay, thank you children. For today only this much.